from Joget, and today I'm gonna create a purchase request app using Joget AI Designer, and I'm also gonna add an AI agent which is gonna summarize the vendor contract details and terms and conditions. So let's go ahead and create the app, and this is the prompt that we are working with today. And I'm gonna skip the enhanced query step and directly move to the process proposal stage where AI is gonna identify all the routing, the approval and the notification that needs to take place. And over here I have asked AI to also identify the form it's gonna build for us and all the end business users who is gonna use this application. And now the AI is generating the process design for us, which we can visually see and quickly validate. So as you can see, all the approvals, rejections and notifications are also taking place. So now let's ask AI to create the form for us. It's gonna input all the necessary fields that is needed to create a purchase request app, and here is an attachment field which we are gonna use to feed the vendor contract details back into the AI agent later on. So I'm just gonna give this app a valid name and ID, and I'm just gonna click on save. And this is the final app that was generated. As you can see, there's form, list, UI and the entire process. And over here we have the AI agent builder. So I'm gonna give this an agent a valid name. So I'm going to create a new agent from scratch and click on save. So I'm going to make use of GPT 4.1 to create this agent which is going to analyze the contract terms and conditions. So we'll start by defining the role and persona for this particular agent, where we are going to give it a valid backstory as well, saying you're an expert in analyzing contract and terms for purchase requests, and we're going to ask it to highlight any legal obligation that might look concerning, right? And as first task for the agent, we are going to ask it to review the contract file that the end user is uploading and return it in a structured valid format. And we need to also give the file to the agent. So I'm gonna say this is gonna be of type PDF, and this is gonna directly come from the form that we just have created earlier on. So finally what we need to do is we need to store the result back to the Joget form. So I'm gonna use the same form, and I'm gonna create a new section over here and add a new field as well. So I'm gonna call this field as rich text editor. So I'm gonna add a new rich text editor to this section, and I'm gonna call this as AI summary, so that we can store the result back into the Joget form. So, and I'm also gonna add a visibility condition where I'm gonna say only show this summary when it is not empty, right? And I'm gonna click on apply, change and save. I'm gonna go back to my agent builder and reselect this form, and I should see the newly added field that I just created. So I'm just gonna click on save and go back to my workflow, so that the last thing I need to do is to trigger the agent as part of the workflow. So once an employee submits the request, I need to trigger my AI agent before I send it for department manager approval. So I'm just gonna add a new tool here, and I'm gonna call this as AI agent, and I'm gonna go to the mapping and trigger the AI agent that we just created. And here I'm just gonna say follow your instructions and click on apply, change and save. And all I need to do is just connect all of these together. So I'm just gonna say trigger the AI agent before sending it for department manager approval, so that the manager has the full view of the contract summary that just got generated. So now all we have to do is go back to our app, and I'm going to launch this app via this UI, and all I have to do is trigger the form, and I'm going to just give it a valid name, some department. I'm going to fill in this form quickly, and let's say pen for office supplies, and then give it a quantity. Let's say we need 100 pens, and each of it is gonna cost us 20 dirhams. And here I need to upload the contract document. So I'm gonna here upload the purchase order terms and conditions, and just click on save. So once we submit the request, we can go back to our inbox to see the output. So this is the next activity in the workflow, which is the department manager approval. And here you can see this is the AI summary that the agent has fully identified and analyzed, and it has identified each and every terms and conditions, and it has highlighted all the potential legal risks and contract. Now as a department manager, I can input my command and either approve or reject this request.